Hello everyone and welcome to TechEV channel, your solution providers. My name is Shubham and today I will show you how to create HDR images using Adobe Photoshop CS5. First, let me show you some examples of HDR images. So these are some HDR images that I have created. As you can see, these images look a little bit unrealistic. This is because these are made from multiple exposures. So for such images, we require multiple photos of the same subject captured at different exposure values. So for today's tutorial, we will use these photos. As you can see, I have captured the same image with different exposure values. So I have 5 images and we will try to combine them into a single image which will be like this. If you look carefully at these images, you will notice that for lower exposure values, the outside of this door is visible, but the inside is not. And as we go on increasing the exposure values, the outside gets too brighter. So in HDR image, our main objective is to capture the details of both the images. That is, the one with outside clearly visible and the one with inside clearly visible. So which will be like this. So let's begin the tutorial. Launch Photoshop and go to File, Automate, and then select Merge to HDR Pro. So this is a automatic method by using which you can easily create some beautiful HDR images. For this, go to Browse and then select all the multiple exposures that you have captured and click OK. After you have added all the images, Photoshop will automatically try to align them and then open a dialog box giving you options to modify your HDR. As you can see, the time taken by this HDR processing depends on the quality of photos you have captured. So as you can see, Photoshop has automatically detected the exposure values and created a HDR image keeping details of inside as well as outside visible. If you want, you can change the preset and have some different effect, such as we have monochromatic effect where the image gets black and white. Surrealistic is a more famous effect which many photographers use. It creates a more unrealistic photo. You can increase gamma or decrease it as you like. Exposure can also be changed. If you don't want the image to be too sharp, you can decrease the details so you'll get a more softer photo. So when you feel you have achieved the right effect, click OK. This will merge all the different exposures into a single file which you can save. So it will take some time to convert to HDR. As you can see, it took a few minutes and now the HDR image is created and you can save this. So this was the automatic process of creating HDR. Next, I will show you how to create HDR images manually. So let's close this. For creating manual HDR, I have used these two images. As you can see, in one the outside is too bright and in the other the inside is too dark. So I will try to merge these two into a single using some manual editing techniques. Now as you can see, the lower image has brighter outside. So we will try to display this outside onto this image. First, click on this layer mask icon and then select brush tool. You can right click and change the size of your brush tool. make sure that it is large enough to fit into these boxes. So just start clicking on this image. If nothing is happening, try pressing X, which will change the foreground and background color. Now if you click, you'll notice that the outside from background image, which is this, is starting to look visible here. So just go on and click everywhere where you want to bring the exposure from background image. So I'll quickly do this. If you want, you can zoom in and edit with a small brush size. This will create a more realistic effect. So this is how we create HDR using manual techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.